Do you want to start a live broadcast without complications? Just hit go live and begin streaming in seconds? With Quickchannel you can. It's fast, intuitive, and professional. Our live event feature lets anyone create and stream high-quality events in minutes, be it meetings, tutorials, conferences, or fully produced broadcasts. How it works? Easy. Create your event in Quickchannel, give it a title, set the date and start time, and you are ready to broadcast live or record directly to the cloud. Want simplicity? Then you can use your browser, connect your camera, microphone, or share your screen, and let our built-in templates deliver a professional look without any hassle, ideal for internal communication, quick demos, or training. Do you want to be more pro? You need full production control? Then you can go advanced. Quickchannel integrates seamlessly with external software encoders like OBS or Wirecast, and hardware encoders like Epiphone or Blackmagic Design. You can even broadcast from cameras or mobile devices via RTMP. This gives you completely flexibility to incorporate video mixers, multiple cameras, and professional setups while streaming securely to our platform. Unmatched video quality. Enjoy crystal clear up to 4K. Branded experience. Fully customize the look of your streaming experience. Registration pages, live view, chat, polls, and email reminders can all align with your brand identity. Security and compliance. Quickchannel is GDPR compliant, secure by design, and supports enterprise-grade authentication and access control. Audience engagement tools. Keep your audience involved with live chats, Q&As, and polls for true, real interactivity. Scalability and reach. Broadcast globally using our CDN or eCDN solutions, ideal for large-scale internal or public events. Real-time AI transcription. Enhance accessibility and compliance with the live AI-generated captions. Publish and reuse easily. Even live events is automatically recorded. Use the built-in editor to trim and share clips or repurpose them on demand. Quickchannel adapts to your needs, whether you are looking for the simplest browser-based live stream or a fully scaled professional production. Either way, your audience experience high-quality, engaging video. Live Event is your flexible, fast, and powerful streaming solution, from internal messages to professional events, anytime, anywhere, with one click to go live. Thanks for watching.